Hello world, today we're here with Zach Rushelo, the flexible dieting lifestyle across all social media, one of my great friends. We're gonna make some coffee together, probably the easiest coffee you can make. It only has 2 ingredients. Zach, you drink coffee pretty much every day.
I do.
What do you drink every day?
I'm a simple man. I try not to overcomplicate good things. I make I have an espresso at home, make an espresso coffee, a little bit of almond milk, a little bit of sweetener. I like to keep it simple. And so today I think we are keeping it simple with this 2 ingredient cold brew.
Oh yeah, 2 ingredient cold brew. A sweet cream cold brew, you only need 2 ingredients for, 3 if you count the ice, because the hecklers are gonna comment on that and say, oh, you had ice in a cup, so you had 4 ingredients. Yeah. It's always how it goes, but we'll run the engagement up. Let's do it. It's gonna be easy. Zach, I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to grab some ice out of the cooler. So we'll grab one of those cups.
Got it.
And grab some ice out of here.
Enough ice?
Solid.
Okay, so
cool.
right
Next
here?
step, just dump it into that cup.
Man, this is really complicated. Perfect.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay.
All right, step number 2. We're gonna take our pre-made cold brew. So you can use any cold brew that you want, just a bottled pre-made cold brew. So Zach, have some right here for you. Go ahead and pour that in until you get to maybe this notch right there.
Okay.
So we're leaving a little bit of room so we can add the sweet cream in after we put the cold brew.
There?
Boom.
Perfect.
Perfect. All right, last thing we're gonna do, this is the creamer I was talking about. It's the Super Creamer Sweet Cream. It's got 15 calories per tablespoon, which is half the amount of regular half and half, and most of the other shitty creamers that you're gonna find out there on the market. It's also lactose free. Zach, you're a big non-dairy guy.
I don't really talk about this on my page a lot. Like I can't handle dairy very well. I've been lactose intolerant my whole life, but you know, no, chill out. I can't really handle dairy too much, so I have to supplement with a lactase enzyme so then I can digest it. This already has it in there, so.
So, question, how good are you at eyeballing measurements?
I mean, I'm very good.
Pretty good at it right now, right?
I've been doing this for a very long time. Yeah.
All right, so why don't you try and eyeball me approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. We want to keep it under 50 calories. That's the goal of this drink. And most of the drinks we make at home, there's no reason for it to be over 50 calories.
Yeah, for sure. So, don't overcomplicate or over-calorie a good thing.
Yeah, exactly. So 2 to 3 tablespoons.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003.
Boom. And honestly, pouring the cream into the cold brew like that is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing things you could ever do with a drink.
That's like the thing that shows on the back of your computer whenever it goes to sleep.
Oh yeah, dude, I could fall asleep to that.
All right. That's crazy, dude. No, you couldn't. No, you couldn't.
You don't think I'd fall asleep
you're gonna be too caffeinated.
But I'm not gonna be drinking it. I'm saying if I were to take this shot, this B-roll shot, and just have the cream cascading for hours and hours and hours.
Got it. Without the
I could
actual
pass out
caffeine
to that.
consumption.
Yeah, I'm just going to sleep with that on my TV screen.
Got it. Yeah, dude. Sick.
Okay, cool. So now what I want to do, I already made one right before Zach did. So we're gonna do a little cheers here.
All right, a little cheers.
Maybe give it a little shake,
Ooh,
a little swirl.
Okay. What do you call that?
Just mixing it up.
Yeah.
Just literally mixing up the drink. So let's give it a try. So first off, how difficult was that?
Dude, pretty hard, to be honest.
So if someone's gonna try and make that at home, it's super easy.
Dude, I don't know. There's a lot of steps in that. They might mess it up. I really try not to give people too much. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that was so fucking easy.
Yeah. So literally, I don't know, 3 steps maybe, 3 or 4 steps, but 2 ingredients.
Yes, guys. If
you literally can't.
If you mess that up, like there's a bigger issue going on there. So I'm just.
All right. Cool. So difficulty level, probably like a 1 or 0 out of 10.
-3.
-3 out of 10.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it out. We'll give it a rating. Boom. Simple, right?
Yeah.
Not overly sweet.
Yeah.
Has a little bit of sweetness. You can taste the creamer.
It's smooth.
It's smooth.
It's smooth. That's the best way I can describe it.
So,
smooth, very good, not overpowering.
Approximately 45 calories. I mean, you can't go to a coffee shop. You can, because that's literally what I do.
Yeah.
But you can't, for the most part.
Don't put yourself out of business.
It's hard to go to a coffee shop and find something that's low calorie, which is why I started doing what I do, making the content I make. But at home, when you can control every single amount you put in there, you can control the exact ingredient. This is 45 calories, and it tastes like it's 120.
Yeah.
So.
At least.
It's
smooth. This is very smooth.
So Zach, thank you. I'm glad that you got to make that.
Yeah, dude. I'm a better man.
I'm glad that you're here. Let's go ahead and get into this. Get into some conversation. Yes. I want to get to know you a little bit deeper than I already do.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like you know me very well. We're probably just gonna share it with the world. You know
yeah, because I want people to know who you truly are.
Yeah. Dude.
In your deepest parts of your heart.
Oh boy.
All right,
here we go.
Let's do it.